Hello and welcome to this mini tutorial where we will break down and build back up the pronunciation of the word relatively in English. So here we've got the script from the dictionary. As you can see, this word is broken down into 4 syllables and we want the strongest syllable, the stressed one, to be the first syllable, relatively. So breaking it down, our first syllable, we've got a r and a l, rel, rel. Out of all of the parts of this word, I think that's probably the hardest part. If you're struggling with making the r and l different, check out the links below in the notes and you'll find some videos to help with that. So syllable 1, nice and strong, rel. Then we've just got a weak schwa, so tiv. So make sure with the V, the v, that your bottom lip and your top teeth are coming together, v. And we want some vibration there, tiv, tiv. And li at the end, nice and easy, li. So building it all back together, we'll do it 2 times, slowly and then quickly. Repeat after me, relatively. Quickly, relatively. And finally with the orthography, relatively. Nice and easy. So don't forget to subscribe, like, comment or share. And check out the homepage for lots of other interesting playlists, which you should find relatively useful. Thanks for watching and have a great day.